Hello. I think that's now twice in a row I've attempted to record and I've not been recording. Let me just double check this. Okay, now we are recording. Alright. Let's not fiddle around here. Okay, so we are recording. What I have now is, and I didn't mean to leave this over here so long, is I've got to cut the leads on this capacitor. I haven't quite soldered it in yet, and I thought maybe this had something like scissors. This is a multi-purpose thing. I really don't want to hurt. Oh, there's a little saw. There's something else in here. But I can't get it out. Oh, maybe it's attached to that. Oh, little wee pliers. Okay, I'm going to get the blades back in. Oh yeah. So this tool, I thought I would never need. I'm going to snip, I think, I hope, the wires, the extra. I can't hardly get close enough. Well, I'll get rid of some of it. Well, okay, that's as close as I can get. Okay, what I'm going to do is go back onto this connection with the solder sucker, which now may be upset because it's been on too long, I'm not sure. And I'm going to get this to pull out a little bit. Hello, come on. Come on. Where'd you come? I guess I have to do it. A little bit at a time. This thing is getting hot. Okay, well, you know what? I'll find something else to cover. Alright, so I have the capacitor in position. But it is not soldered as of yet. So, even though this is a desoldering iron, I am going to hit it with solder. And I'm not going to suck. Alright, that looks good. That is not good. I have a ball of solder where it should not be there. It is gone. Okay. Oh, great. Oh. We are so close. Okay. We have I think some level of success. Now I want to unplug. I want to figure out what cord this is and unplug it, because I do not want to get burned by it. Now, do I have the other one unplugged? I do. Okay. I'm going to leave this sit. It's hot in here. Whoa. So, let me just look at this. I have a new capacitor. What's going on here? Oh, okay. I have a new capacitor on just beside the heatsink, that big tall sucker. Its feet are too big still. So I gotta find some way to undo that. But I will. And here is what I suspect is the faulty capacitor. So, now all I need to do is put the board back in and hook it up and see if it still fails from heat. I am very confident, as I have been before. Am I right? I don't know, but I am confident. So, stay tuned. Thank you for coming. Bye for now.